Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Justin with AmericanTrucks.com, and today I'm taking a closer look at and showing you how to install the Oracle flush mount LED taillights with the smoke lenses available for your 2015 through 2020 F-150. Now these tails from Oracle are going to be one of the most unique looking options in the category thanks to the flush mount design that is really going to be great for some hardcore off-roading or just totally changing up the look of the rear end. Now at the same time, guys, these will help contribute to a very aggressive style thanks to the all black housings with the smoke lenses. Now the Oracles will work on both LED and halogen trucks along with both blind spot and non-blind spot equipped trucks and can be had all for right around the $500 price point. All right, so let's get into some of our features here at the Oracles, and the biggest, I would say, is going to be the unique appearance you're getting out of the flush mount design. Now, these taillights are extremely popular in the Jeep and Bronco world because they aren't easily banged up on the trail, and well, if you do take your F-150, Raptor, whatever off-road often, well, then this might be something to consider. Now, on the other hand, if you just really dig that very unique look of the tails, don't really care much about functionality outside of the actual lighting, well, that's cool too, right? Now, speaking of functionality in regards to lighting, and that is courtesy of a couple of different things here. Now, first and foremost, these lights are going to utilize a full LED operation for basically everything. Your brake lights, your signature perimeter running lights with sequential turn signals, and also your reverse lights. Now, speaking of reverse lights, those things are extremely impressive because you are getting a ton of firepower coming from the row of white LED reverse lights, a whopping 4,400 lumens out of those reverse lights alone, which is certainly enough to lighten up the darkest areas at night while backing up. Now, another feature that Oracle is really proud of here at these lights is the fact that you are able to disassemble the taillights physically if you wanted to paint match basically all of the black portion on the tails to maybe match the color of your truck. That would be a very cool customization way to do it, but if you're just content with the black look, that's totally fine as well, but just know that you do have that option. All right, moving into construction, and your main material for the housing here, basically all of the black portion, is going to be that durable automotive grade ABS plastic. Now the lenses in this case are featuring a durable material which is given that tint or smoked appearance to deliver that very aggressive look that a lot of truck owners are really into. Now on the other hand, if you're not really digging just the all blacked out look, maybe you'd like to get a little red in there, well, Oracle does also make these tails with a red lens instead, which you can also find here at American Trucks. Now, as I mentioned at the very top of this video, these tails will fit both LED and halogen trucks thanks to the included adapters, along with being able to support the blind spot information system trucks and even non-blind spot trucks. So you have a lot of options when it comes to fitment here, and I do really dig that. And then last but not least, you're looking at a plug and play install. That's always a good thing to point out. And these are backed by a 1-year warranty just in case you run into any issues. Now the flush LED tails are going to run you right around $500 for the pair, which does put these, I would say, right in line with some of your other 100% LED options. But I will say these are absolutely one of the most unique looking sets on the site at the time of this video, so that is something to factor in at the end of the day. Moving into the install, and the site's going to call this an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, thanks of course to that plug and play install, taking you 2 hours at absolute most to complete from start to finish. Now to give you a better idea of how things will go down at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and an 8mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing a set of taillights on our F-150, so let's get started. Now to remove our factory taillights, we're going to pop down our tailgate, and that'll expose our 2 8mm bolts that we can take an 8mm socket to remove. Then we'll just pull straight back on the taillight and disconnect our single electrical connector. Now press in on that gray tab and pop that out. So now we're ready to install our new taillights. Now depending on your factory option of your taillight and the connector that you have, you might have to use an adapter harness. In our case, we have factory halogens, so we're going to be using this harness that has a single connector to the single connector. So I'm going to take the gray connector and plug it into the body harness side. Then we can plug this into the back of the taillight, slide it in place, and reinstall our bolts. And then once you've clicked that into place, you can press this red locking tab down into place. And then you can just tuck all of your wires back and out of the way. And then just line up your taillight. Slide it into place and reinstall our 2 bolts. And then take your 8mm socket and tighten these down. And then do the same thing on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Oracle flush style LED taillights with black housing and smoked lens for your 2015 to 20 F-150. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.